Why are you here, two of you? Huh? I'm doing my work here. Why are you here? You should go outside. I'm ironing clothes here. Two of you go outside. Shh. Skyla, go outside. Two of you. See, you're sitting on the clothes. Toby?